Most binary options traders lose money because they chase price. They enter late, they panic, and they trade every candle. This strategy fixes that problem by forcing you to wait for price to come back to value before you enter. The EMA pullback strategy is one of the most reliable ways to trade binary options because it combines direction, patience, and timing. You are not guessing reversals. You are joining momentum at a better price. This strategy works because markets do not move in straight lines. Even in strong trends, price pulls back before continuing. Those pullbacks are where smart money enters, and that is exactly what we are copying. For this strategy, you only need two indicators: a 20 EMA and a 50 EMA. Keep it simple. Do not add more indicators. More indicators do not mean better results. This strategy works best on the 1-minute and 5-minute charts. If you are a beginner, start with the 5-minute chart. It is slower, cleaner, and far more forgiving. Let's define the trend first. If the 20 EMA is above the 50 EMA and both are clearly sloping upward, the market is in an uptrend. You only look for call trades. If the 20 EMA is below the 50 EMA and both are sloping downward, the market is in a downtrend. You only look for put trades. If the EMAs are flat or crossing back and forth, you do nothing. No trade. Discipline is what makes this strategy profitable. Now let's talk about the setup. In an uptrend, you wait for price to pull back toward the 20 EMA. Sometimes it touches the 20 EMA. Sometimes it goes slightly below it. That is normal. What you do not do is enter while price is still falling. Your entry comes only after confirmation. You wait for a bullish candle to close back above the 20 EMA. That candle closes your signal. You enter the trade at the close, not before. For expiration time, this is critical. On the 1-minute chart, use a 2 to 3 minute expiration. On the 5-minute chart, use 1 candle expiration, meaning 5 minutes. Never use 30-second expiration. That is gambling, not trading. In a downtrend, the rules are reversed. You wait for price to pull back up toward the 20 EMA. When a bearish candle closes back below the 20 EMA, you enter a put trade. This strategy works best during high-volume market hours, especially the London and New York sessions. Avoid trading during quiet market periods where price barely moves. Now let's talk about money management, because this is where most traders fail. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. This strategy is not about winning every trade. It is about stacking probability over time. A realistic win rate for this strategy is between 60 and 70% when you trade only clean trends and only confirmed pullbacks. If you overtrade, that win rate collapses. Limit yourself to a maximum of 5 to 10 trades per session. If you miss a setup, let it go. Another one will come. This strategy becomes even more powerful when combined with copy trading. If you are not confident trading manually, you can automatically copy experienced traders who already use trend-based pullback strategies. Copy trading allows you to participate while learning. You can see how professionals manage entries, timing, and discipline in real time. The smart way to use copy trading is to follow several traders. Start with small amounts, remove traders who underperform, and slowly increase allocation to the ones who stay consistent week after week. This is not a get-rich-quick strategy. It is a structured, repeatable system designed to keep you on the right side of the market. Binary options rewards patience. EMA pullbacks force patience. That is why this strategy works.